This is a Leatherman Juice XE6. I got this when it was on clearance at Leatherman. So let's talk about the tools. We have different sizes of flathead. We have bottle opener and can opener. It also provides some extra leverage for this corkscrew. Serrated blade, file, straight blade, scissors, saw, and then down here we have an awl and a Phillips, also a little lanyard hole. Let's close everything up. And there we go. And we also have these pliers. Everything folds down pretty small. This is a really popular tool for places where you can't have a locking blade.